Hello to everyone. Today I have here Makita trio used Makita trio, and it is type, as you can see, Makita TW0350. And if you are using what this hand tools, it should look like this Makita here. And I would like to show you what kind of the breakdown and problem I have with the motor, with rotor or stator. Maybe you can got some recommendation for repair, or if it's possible to repair, and what is advantage to scrap or to repair this drill. So you can look here. If I start to yes, crazy. Whoa. It's very dangerous now, I think. Protect, but you can see. Whoa. So thank you for the watching, and I'm waiting for your recommendation and your comments. See you in the next video after reparation.